I used to have dreams. Crazy dreams. Oh, they were dopey. Why? Bert Reynolds. I don't know why. He never did much for me in my life. But in my dreams, it was always Bert and I. Bert and I. Bert and I. It was always the same general dream. We'd be out in some restaurant, the kind they have in Atlantic City, big, with huge chandeliers and thousands of waiters with their vests on. Bert would give me an orchid corsage and he would pin it to my blazer and we'd laugh. We were always laughing together, Bert and I. And we would eat shrimp cocktails. Huge shrimps. Fabulous shrimp. And we'd laugh some more. Then, Bert would look deep into my eyes and pull me to him, right to the middle of the restaurant. And just as he was about to kiss me, the whole restaurant would start to shake. And pigeons came out from under the table. I don't know what these pigeons were doing there. And the flood would start right through there. And it would pour and pour and pour. And there would be fish in it and little boats. And the whole restaurant would fill with my flood, and Bert would be standing neck deep in my flood, looking at me, horribly disappointed that I had done it again. Horrified. As he saw Dean Martin and his friends swim by in their tuxedos and evening gowns. I don't have those dreams anymore.